Okay, I'm really sorry. We weren't recording this class, but now this is the recording of our class. We already have a short review of present perfect and also about the sequencers. Now it's time to practice the use of present perfect. We already have the first example. Brian has played football. Now, Anthony, help me with the second sentence, okay? Susan read her new book.
Okay. Susan has read her new book.
Susan has read, nice job, her new book. Okay, well done. You're doing this very fast, okay? So you're really good at it. Then I find some money in the street.
Okay. I have found some money in the street.
Very good. I had found some money in the street. Okay, well done. Okay, thank you. That's great. Example 4. Mr. and Mrs. Baker have an accident. Ooh,
Mr. and Mrs. Baker has an accident.
let's see. Mr.
Correct?
and Mrs. Baker has an accident. That's it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Number 5. Tom Davis win the tennis match. What do you think about the sentence? Present perfect.
Tom Davis has won the tennis match.
Has won the tennis match. Well done. Okay. Thank you. Well, you did it very fast. But let me tell you, Anthony, that one sentence is not correct.
Okay.
Which one is not correct?
I think the number 4.
Number 4. Okay. Which is the what is the mistake?
Mm, the the verb.
The verb. Okay. What is the correct verb?
I'm not I'm not sure, but if we use Mr. and Mrs., we have to use had.
We
Correct?
have to use have as an auxiliary. Remember, in this opportunity, have is working as an auxiliary. Now we need a verb. Which is the verb in past participle?
Mr. and Mrs. have. I don't know.
Okay, remember that have is in base form, right? Oops,
We we
base form.
we we can say have has.
No, because that is base form, okay? Having has are in present. So remember that right now we have to use past participle, okay? The past participle of the verb. The past participle, well, the past and past participle of the verb have is, let me see, past participle, okay, is had, okay?
Have.
So have,
Had.
had. Okay, so what is the missing verb in this sentence, number 4?
Had.
Had, well done, okay? Mr. and Mrs. Baker, sorry, I forgot Baker, have had an accident. Well, that's it, right? Very good job, okay? Now the 5 sentences are correct. Congratulations, Anthony. You did an amazing job, okay? Thank you for your practice. Right now, it's time for us to have a short speaking practice, okay? Look at the instructions. Talk about a good experience you have had when eating in a restaurant using different tenses. As you remember, well, in this unit, we are trying to focus on present perfect, and of course, to speak about a specific moment, a specific time, or a specific event using the simple past. That's why right now, think about a good experience you have in a restaurant, okay? And then maybe you can tell me about it in 1 minute and 30 seconds. I will give you 2 or 3 minutes for you to get ready with this information, for you to remember, organize your ideas, and then speak about that event. Now, if you, for example, well, in this case, you can use in grammar, present perfect and simple past. And for sure, you can also use the sequencers. For example, if you want to organize your ideas or you want to order the events that happen in that time, and that's why you consider that was a great experience you had. So you can also use the sequencers, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any question about this activity?
No, it's okay.
Okay, I will give you 3 minutes for you to get ready and organize your ideas. If you have questions, I'm going to be here, okay? I'm
Okay.
going to stay here and I'm going to answer your questions, okay? 3 minutes starts now. Okay, Anthony, are you ready with our activity?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, okay. You already organized your ideas, so well, tell me about a good experience you have had in a restaurant. Go ahead.
Okay, my wife, my daughter, and me was at an Italian food restaurant, but exactly a pizza restaurant. So we have to to eat pizza, but I didn't like so much the pizza, and my wife too. But my daughter, uh, she loves the pizza. So uh, they have not tried the pizza before, and was the first time uh, we went to this restaurant. So I have I have read the menu, and I'm not sure what size of pizza order, because we didn't like too much. But my daughter wants the try. So the the I don't know how to say, the mesero,
Oh, waiter.
the waiter.
If it was a man, waiter. If it was a girl, waitress.
Okay, the waitress was so kind, because she gave me an example of what we can order, and and she has she has gone with the supervisor, yeah, and she tells that is our first times at the restaurant, and the supervisor was so kindly too, and give it to my daughter a piece of cake free.
Oh, that's delicious.
So was a good experience for me, because the customer service was excellent, and they have paid us too much attention.
Okay, well, thank you for telling me about that great experience you had. I just have some questions. Do you like pizza or you don't like, or only in that restaurant?
No, we don't like pizza.
Oh, really?
Yes, but my daughter, she loves the pizza.
Well, that's something I imagine that's something difficult.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
because now all the days, Daddy, we can go to eat pizza, or Mommy, we can go to eat pizza.
okay, so yes, she really loves pizza, but
Yeah.
that's something good, okay? So it's fine. So cute. Well, thank you for telling me about this experience, even though you don't like pizza, but well, at the end you had a great experience at the restaurant because of the customer service, as
Yes.
you mentioned, and because they paid a lot of attention to you. So thank you for speaking about this. Maybe some feedback I can give you. Well, at the beginning, remember the use of the verb to be. In this case, you are talking about three people, your wife, your daughter, and you. So in that case, remember it's in plural, right?
Okay.
For plural nouns, apart from you, okay, the subject you, we have to use,
Well,
well, sorry, for plural nouns and the subject you, we have to use were, okay? And then for he, she, it, and I, was, right?
okay.
That's the first thing. Then, well, I really like that there were some questions you weren't sure about. For example, supervisor, but you pronounce it very well. So that's something really nice, Anthony. Congratulations for it, okay? Sometimes, even though you don't know or you are not sure about the pronunciation of some words, try it, okay? Aunque no sepas muy bien la pronunciación de algo a veces o no la recuerdes también, inténtalo, okay? So at the end, who knows? It could be great, like you did in this time, okay? So it was something really good. The use of present perfect was awesome. I liked the experiences you talk about, as you mentioned. So they have never tried pizza, but they had the experience. And at the end, your daughter loves it. Well, she loved it because it's in past. She loved it, and your wife didn't. So that's good. So thank you for speaking about this, Anthony. That was a great practice using present perfect and simple past. Continue practicing the verbs since sometimes they are confusing or the pronunciation, it's kind of weird.
Yes.
So let's continue practicing. Actually, in this level, I consider we are going to practice these verbs a lot. Okay, so I hope you are ready for it. Well, just before we go, give me a second. Well, just before we go, I would like to ask you, please complete the following activities. I don't know, in which activity are you now on the platform? ¿Sabes en qué actividad estás en la plataforma?
Okay, let me see. I can tell you right now.
Okay.
Give me a second. Sorry. Um, 1.2 cooking verbs.
Okay, nice. So yes, you have advanced a little bit on the platform. Well, if you haven't finished unit 1, no problem. I consider we will have some time to do it. But please try to continue working on it, okay? Sé que al menos, bueno, en tu caso, sé que iniciaste un poco, bueno, iniciaste ayer con las actividades, ¿verdad? Yes, porque el día lunes creo que todavía no les habían compartido los usuarios. Sin embargo, pues ya iniciaste, es lo principal. Así que solo animarte a eso, a que continúes con la unidad, ya que mañana iniciamos la unidad 2. Por eso principalmente lo menciono, porque mañana vamos con la unidad 2. Así que, claro, si no has terminado la unidad 1, no pasa nada. Pero si puedes ponerte al día con las actividades entre el mañana, viernes, sábado y domingo, pues super good. Recuerda que mañana es jueves. Viernes, sábado y domingo no hay clases hasta el lunes, solamente jueves, luego viernes libre, sábado libre, domingo libre. Entonces, en ese tiempo, pues, puedes aprovechar para que ya vayamos justamente a donde nos corresponde, ¿ok? Así que, Anthony, it was great to be here with you and speak about some experiences we have had and practice this topic. I hope we can continue practicing tomorrow. Tomorrow. And well, have a nice evening and a good night, and see you tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you, Christian. Have a good night too.
You're welcome, and thank you. Bye.
Bye.